that for?
Kaylee, wait. Hold on.
Say that we're hardcore.
Straight in.
Kaylee.
You've never done it at a show, have you?
Unless you live hardcore.
Hold on. You've never done this at a show, have you? Because I never did, and I never will.
Wait.
Hardcore dance.
Oh, no. Kyle tried to get me to do one, and I was like, I'm not doing it. You're going to make me.
Yes, it
Hardcore dance. Can we get a video?
Oh!
Mitch is gonna be like,
I wish we had some music playing. Like, make a nice shot this hand. Make sure you do like some.
Do that again, Lily.
Mark's Disbox.
Lauren. No, it's okay. It's good. It works. Sam, you want X's?
Morgan.
Are you gonna?
Hey! Are you videotaping?
Here, Sam, do you want some X's to be hardcore?
For your X and your down. Your X and your down.
Video? But you know my straight edge kids are always like God-free. Like, we hate God. And I'm just like, you guys are weird because you are so perfect and you don't like God.
You just got served. Let me serve it to you. Serving it. Put it on the chopping block. Chopping block. Machine. Hey, let's do that. No, let's do that. Let's do that.
It just means that we're straight
What do we name this? No, this is the top. This is the top.
Sophomore. You want it too.
Hey, this is a great spin. What is this? For marriage.
That's wonderful.
did you say Mr. Wad?
I said I'm gonna go to a show and do this in the middle.
Homegirl's got a cramp.
Homegirl thinks you're.
Kind of weird egg.
Sorry.
But it kind of messed up. Sam wants X's.
Wait, two people say right here. Wait. Not check.